It's your boy Green. We're in a clan match with the revolvers, right? Look. They inside this building. They in a glitch. All up into here. They all hiding, man. It's so damn dumb. Look, they winning because some dumbass people on our team keep running up, you know. See, look at Rampage. He go run up and do some stupid shit, man. We supposed to do it. Me and Nation supposed to do a 2v6 with the fucking revolvers. Then all these noobs go come up in here. You know. They come in here, you know. See, look. This shit's so stupid, man. Look at that. This shit's stupid, man. Man. Revolvers, man, y'all suck, bro. They need to stop fucking going in glitches and hiding and shit, man. Look, man. These niggas they not even hard, bro. If you try to join in clan, man, you go get smacked, bro. It ain't nothing, bro. This shit ain't nothing, man. This shit is stupid as hell, YouTube. It's fucking stupid. This is an exposing of the revolvers. They fucking suck ass, man. Goodbye.